Who doesn't want a future-proof career? Who doesn't like to have a turbulence-free career journey? I think no one prefers to have a bumpy ride as far as career is concerned. But life throws surprises and challenges. Even nature doesn't remain constant throughout the year. And all of us have to adjust and find ways to deal with it. Career landscape also keeps bringing new challenges in the form of new technologies, frameworks, platforms, operating systems, security protocols, work methodologies, etc. Computers, phones, laptops, tablets, the internet, video conferencing tools, smart home hubs, online banking, UPI apps, and many more have come to make our lives easy. But they also come with some set of problems. And because of these changes, people have to go through hardship to learn new skills, adapt to different platforms, work in different environments, etc. But as we know, the only constant is change, so we have to embrace it. Right now, AI is the new big thing, and it is the biggest wave we are riding today. Yes, AI is a big wave. It is disrupting the job landscape. It is also responsible for a lot of layoffs across industries. And because of AI, companies are prioritizing automation and resorting to immediate cost cutting. And as a result, many jobs are becoming obsolete, and it is happening faster than we expected. And believe me, AI wave is not just a hype, it is real, and it is moving at lightning speed. But let's not fear the waves. We have to learn to surf it. It is not the end of the human career. In fact, it is the beginning of smarter and more creative chapter for humanity. Let's not treat AI our enemy. It is our partner, in fact, a powerful productivity partner. It will help us evolve, it will help us grow, it will never replace humans, but it will work with humans. In fact, you have to start using AI as your co-worker. Yes, many jobs are vanishing, but millions of new jobs are being created as well. Professionals just need to have practical strategies ready to survive and thrive in this AI wave. So stay connected to this video till the end, because I'm gonna share 5 powerful tips to help you future-proof your career. And the powerful way number 1 is don't just use, instead reinvent. In an AI world, you cannot survive by being just an operator. You cannot think of being only a user. You have to upgrade yourself from operator to architect. You have to learn to redesign and reinvent the tools a bit. If you just start or stop the machine, you are easily replaceable. I'm not saying you need to become a researcher, but you can try exploring the basics of the technology and the architecture behind the tools you use. The idea should not be to just use AI, but to understand how it works, how it thinks. That will help you use these tools with precision and responsibility. For example, if you understand how ChatGPT structures its responses, you can craft better prompts for more accurate and customized results. Just knowing the core building blocks of ChatGPT and Google Gemini will alone set you apart from others. And for that, you don't need to become a coder or a data scientist. Just a curious mind is enough. Now, our next strategy should be focus on what AI lacks. AI is super fast, AI is smart, and AI can solve many logical problems, but it is not human. Because AI lacks intuition, emotional intelligence, and ethics. This is where we should lead. Let AI continue to solve logical and repetitive tasks. But skills like emotional intelligence, critical thinking, ethical decision making, team leadership, and storytelling are human skills. These are the areas where humans must lead. And in the new normal, companies don't just need coders, they need leaders. That's why in the age of AI, soft skills are becoming more important than ever. Because AI cannot manage conflict in a team. It cannot craft a story with a deep emotional hook for a marketing campaign. It cannot understand the cultural nuance for product advertisement. It cannot judge if a candidate truly fits into a company's value. It cannot make ethical decisions as well. These are human areas, so improve yourself in these areas for a future-proof career. Now coming to the next strategy, that is master prompt engineering. This is the basic requirement in digital workplaces. You should know how to talk to AI effectively. This is the skill you must have. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting clear and specific instructions for large language models such as ChatGPT, Google Gemini, etc. to get the best possible results. The clearer your prompt, the smarter the output. So prompt fluency is not an optional skill, it is an essential one. And you will find many job listings for AI prompt engineers as well. For example, instead of asking ChatGPT, explain digital marketing, a well-crafted prompt would be explain digital marketing strategies for startups to a student under 20 years in 100 words. Instead of a vague prompt like write a job description for a full stack developer, a well-crafted prompt would be write a job description for a remote full stack developer with 3+ years of experience in React and Node.js. Doesn't this make sense? Now coming to the fourth strategy, never stop upgrading. Treat your career like a tech product. Keep asking, what is the next version of me? In today's world, agility matters more than your post in the company. So keep evolving and upgrading. For example, if you are a teacher who teaches using textbook, learn to use interactive tools like Google Classroom. And if you are a coder, start using GitHub Copilot to write faster and test more efficiently. Also set learning milestones like completing a course or certification, reading one career-related book per month, practicing public speaking or learning conflict resolution or emotional intelligence techniques. Keep seeking feedback from mentors, peers, and even AI tools to help you improve. Now coming to the last strategy, that is learn to use human and machine. Companies are not looking for coders, they need leaders who cannot just delegate to people but to AI as well. Yes, AI tools are your co-workers, you should be able to use them. You should be able to learn to lead a hybrid team. The idea is to automate the repetitive but lead the rest. Let AI do the heavy lifting while humans handle the human connection. For example, if you are a project manager, you can let AI handle documentation, scheduling, and time tracking. And you can delegate human teammates to handle creativity, collaboration, and client interaction. So you see, humans are still pilot and AI is working as a co-pilot. So it is not threatening your place. It's your ally, your partner, just like internet, software, or any machine. AI is meant to handle heavy tasks so that humans can focus more on innovative and creative work. That's all for now. I hope you find this helpful. So do share, subscribe, and like the video, and I'll bring more useful videos for you. Thank you and see you next time.